Let's talk about this water flosser. This was gifted to me from JTF to share with you, and I have a few water flossers that I've tried, and I actually really like this one. So let's talk about why I like it. Maybe to answer also some questions that you might have about it, thinking to purchase it. So first of all, the biggest game changer for this for me is I use it in the shower. You can use it over the sink, but I love to use it in the shower because you don't have to worry about spraying everywhere or making a mess. That was a huge factor for me. You can fill it up with the water from the shower. There's a little area right here. So you fill it up, and it's a pretty big tank, so it's going to last you for quite a while. Also, when you're holding it this way, the little spout right there is going to get every last drop of water as you're going through because it's going to pick all of that up. So I love just the whole idea about it. I love the way it fits in your hand. It's not super huge and bulky, and it takes up way less counter space than the big tubs that sit on the counter. You can also charge it, and it's a protection at this little tab right here. It's a USB-C cord, so you just charge it right there, and then you make sure to cover it, especially if you're going to take it in the shower. So it also comes with multiple inserts, so you could share this with multiple people in your family. I use these right here, just the basic ones. This is for your tongue. So you put it against your tongue and it's like a tongue cleaner. This is for like maybe you have deep pockets, maybe your dentist or hygienist have said you have gum disease. This is to get deep into those areas. And then there's a brush, and that is to do for ortho, like around the brackets. I love the color, comes in different colors. Perfect, super cute. So let's talk about the function of it. So there's a charge right here. It tells you when you need to charge it and when it's charging. There is a pulse mode, there's a strong mode, and a soft mode. Always start off on the soft mode, especially if you've never used a water pick before. I always start on the soft and then gradually, if it feels comfortable, move my way up. Again, I like to use warm water because I have some sensitive areas, and so cold water, I don't like the cold water, so it's perfect in the shower because I have warm water. And so this is the power button, and then you're able to take the tip off and change between the tips. And then also you're able, while you're in the shower, to rotate and move this as you walk along. So what I do as I walk along is I'll show you, I place it here and walk it along. I don't go too fast. I let it sit. So it flushes out all the debris to keep my gums feeling way healthier. And it takes a couple times to get used to it, just like if you have an electric toothbrush. It took a while for you to get used to your electric toothbrush, but I cannot live without my water flosser. I use it every day. I floss too, but it just makes a huge difference, and it makes my mouth so much cleaner. And I invested in an implant, which was costly, and I want to make sure that I'm going to protect it. So hopefully this was helpful for you and you give the water flosser a try. I am a big fan of it. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.